In this video, we'll go from this to this. First step is remove the license plate. You can use a 3/8 inch socket or a flathead screwdriver. And then next there'll be 4 bolts, one here, and then there's 2 right here. Alright, and these are 7mm. There's that one. Oh, that one's at an angle. There we go. So these 2 are kind of tricky. As you can see, they're a little bit below the bumper. Okay, next we got to unplug it. Okay, so it looks like there's a hole right through here you push in to release the plug. There we go. Okay, got it unplugged. And of course just reverse and reinstall, right? Plug it in. Plugged in. Go check the light real quick. Light works. Okay, and next we'll put the screws back in. And of course, don't tighten these yet. Wait until you get the bottom ones in. Alright, got them all started, so now I can tighten them down. Again, this is 7mm. Plate back in. Alright, works pretty good. Little nubs down here. A little bit off, or the license plate's off, don't know. Anyway, there you go.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.